Did I call it or did I not call it? About a week ago when Amazon's website had issues, I couldn't even log into it for like an hour. I posted it on social media and I quote, "If this happens today," which was like 3, 4, 5 days ago, whatever it was, "wait till Amazon Prime Day. I guarantee it's gonna crash." Look what happened, it crashed. So did anyone else have issues today with Amazon crashing on Prime Day? I ended up being able to buy what I needed, which was my batteries for my camera for Vegas, the camera I'm filming on here. So all good to go on that side of things, but it did crash for a little while. I couldn't get onto it. Seems like a lot of people had issues, and I'm wondering if you guys had a problem, if you were able to get on and buy what you needed to buy. What did you buy? What did you guys get? What was the regular price? What kind of money did you save? Comment section. And do you think Prime Day is all it's hyped up to be? Do you think that it's just Amazon's marketing 101? I want to know what you guys feel and how you look at Prime Day from an outside looking in, or if you're a seller from the inside looking out to all of these potential 100 million Prime users or however many new ones they signed up. That's crazy, man. 100 million people times $112. I don't even know what number that is. Times 10 is what? A billion times 100 is $10 billion. They do like $11 billion in Prime membership revenue. That's nuts. We pay Amazon for that. Anyways, tell me your comments. Just a little short video. I have another one coming out shortly. eBay messaged today about the new payment program. So if you're interested in that, please keep an eye out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and look down below. But I just wanted to get on here and get some reactions about Amazon Prime crashing the website, what you bought, what you paid, how much you saved, all that good stuff. And it's just a little short video. So let's go over to the website, over to the screen on my computer, and I will show you some of the funniest Twitter, tweets, social media posts that we had about Prime crashing today. Lusting Lemmer says, live look at Amazon's server farm, Prime Day, with all the servers in the building on fire. That's hilarious. Obviously, that's not true. Collect them all. The dogs of Amazon are showing off on Prime Day. So those of you that don't know, way back in the beginning of Amazon, I did a video about this. Basically, Amazon's dog that used to be like one of the dogs of one of the executives used to come to the building. And so they used a picture of that dog as the website crash notification. So when the website wouldn't load, you'd get a picture of that dog. And now they actually use pictures of some of the other employees' dogs. So whenever the website won't load, it comes up with one of these cute little dogs. And so that's what people are posting up, that it's, you know, oops, the dogs are showing off today. Somebody says, gotta catch them all. And this is just within the last couple of hours that these have all been popping up. This guy, Jesus Nice, which he has a certified check on Twitter. Amazon Prime Day is probably just some sort of test run for when Jeff Bezos hunts us for sport. It already has 2,000 retweets and 66 comments, 7.8 thousand hearts. That is insane and pretty hilarious. I thought that this was hilarious. So Terry Dottie puts the Prime Day tag here and she goes, shop all deals, clicks, page refreshes, shops all deals, clicks, page refreshes, over and over again. She put this gif up here of, you know, son of a bitch. But look who liked it. Look who liked her tweet. eBay's partner network. That is like eBay's affiliate network. I'm actually a part of that network. And basically you get paid for linking your eBay store if anybody goes shopping. And they liked this Prime Day jab at Amazon. That's pretty funny. Man, people are going so hard on Amazon. Look at this. Kindled in the Wind says Jeff Bezos, #1, is the richest person in history with 150 billion. 1,430 Amazon employees in Ohio alone qualify for food stamps. The warehouse workers are forced to work in high temps and are docked pay time for toilet breaks. Amazon barely pays taxes. And C #1. Just below that, it says the real Finnegan Friday. Does anyone know if the dogs of Amazon are getting paid more than its warehouse workers? And Rachel J says, me, after clicking the try again button 19373382975 times today on Amazon Prime. And this is big news too. Bernie Sanders, a big, you know, I'm not a big Bernie fan. I think that he's okay, but he says he stands with Amazon workers fighting for decent work conditions and a living wage, while Jeff Bezos' wealth increases by $275 million a day. Amazon workers are afraid to take bathroom breaks. He's a big advocate for hard workers and blue collar workers. So Bernie tweeting out on that today as well. about, the working conditions and, how much money Jeff Bezos makes. But unfortunately, that's the way the world works today. If you have something and you can lure people in, you'll get rich and the rest will not. So I'm going to leave you guys with two more. Trooper Ben, which you guys can look him up. Savage tweet, he says, I'd never ask Prime Day to be a designated driver for me. It crashes way too often. Ha 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 ha. And then Alpha Omega Sin says everything everyone got on Prime Day, and he posted a picture of just a plain white box. So there you go, Amazon. Way to be successful on Prime Day. I'm sure a lot of people still got some good deals, but I'm sure a lot of people might have missed out on some or gotten frustrated and gave up or quit. Let me know how your Prime Day experience went. What did you get? What did you not get? Did you miss out? Did you get it? Were you in time? Did you save money? Was it worth it? Would you do it again? And if you're an Amazon seller, how did Prime Day go for you? How were sales compared to normal days, compared to maybe Prime Day last year, compared to Christmas? Please put in the comments section about your Prime Day experience, because I want to know how everyone else is doing. We talk a lot about eBay and their ups and downs. Let's talk about Amazon and their ups and downs. So I'll hashtag this with Prime Day and Prime Day 2018. Feel free to chime in on the comment section. And hopefully we'll have a big array of opinions and comments and experiences from today's craziness. And it continues on through tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening. So you still have a little bit of time to take advantage of it and then come back and report back to me in the comment section. So thanks so much, everybody, for watching. Hopefully the day wasn't too crazy. Hopefully you made some money. Hopefully you didn't spend too much money. And until I see you a little bit later, have a wonderful evening. And thanks so much for watching.